SUI could fall 4.9% tomorrow, as predicted by Gulf Capital Collector. Let's open with a quick view of the current market move. At this hour, SUI is up 0.1% over the last 24 hours and holding near $0.7123. Let's move into expert prediction mode. Coin price forecast data implies a move to $0.72 by June 23, about 1.2% higher than today. CoinCodex projects SUI will trend lower towards $0.7082, a projected decrease of 0.5%. Digital coin price points out it could weaken to $0.7022, a move lower of approximately 1.3%. A separate analysis by Gulf Capital Collector points to SUI declining to $0.6769, a potential fall of 4.9%. And last but not least, 30 Rates believes the price may slide to $0.6729 by tomorrow, down by 5.4%. This is the top earning forecast we've seen. That's your full analyst set. Let's go deeper. Now let's take a step into what each forecast might deliver. Looking across the collected predictions, the movement in price is estimated between a drop of 5.4% and a rise of 1.2%, depending on the analyst. From this, we can see 30 Rates holding the top forecast with 5.4% gain in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to earn between $5 and $54 for every $1,000 you invest. By examining recent volatility trends, CoinCodex's forecast stands as the most probable, with a 95.1% likelihood. Looking across the 5 forecasts, I've built a consensus outlook for clarity. Consensus trend suggests SUI could move downward by 2.2% towards $0.696. Here's the breakdown. The consensus calculation shows a 2.2% drop by tomorrow. Put another way, your capital could also rise by roughly 2.2% along with that shift. With a 1,000 base, the move could equal about $22 in potential return. The probability of the consensus scenario taking place is set at approximately 89.3%. For the short term, let's see what analysts predict across the 3-day period. A stronger push upward is expected by coin price forecast. CoinCodex expects SUI to decline steadily. Additionally, digital coin price signals a short-term move lower. Additionally, Gulf Capital Collector describes the near-term path as bearish. A bearish outlook is also projected by 30 Rates, pointing to a decline. Bringing together the forecasts, the consensus shows SUI leaning into a decline. Summing up, 80% of projections indicate a tilt to the downside for SUI. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts looked ahead to the next day. With that day now over, we can check the results. Ultimately, yesterday's trading ended at $0.6934. The results showed that the majority of predictions matched reality. The prediction that aligned most with the actual result was from CoinDataFlow. Let's see piece by piece. 3 forecasts stayed inside the span of the daily candle. In terms of ROI, some forecasts were positive, and Gulf Capital Collector delivered the best performance at 2.3%. And now, the overall results are on screen, everything in one view. And looking at the numbers, Traders Union showed a forecast probability of 93.6%, an accuracy value of $0.0251, and an ROI of -2.3%. See if you can spot the forecast that proved most accurate. Here's how the income expectations for tomorrow look across multiple assets including SUI. The cryptocurrency we're analyzing is positioned first among all assets, showing 2.2% in forecasted return. In this section, SUI is compared with just 4 other random cryptos. The full comparison with many more assets is now available on my website. If timing matters to you, make sure you're subscribed. See you tomorrow!